Everyone was busy. I have work to finish.
Just one more post.
I'm almost at the next level.
This cartoon is funny.
Nobody was talking.
Hello, everyone. Grandpa came to visit.
Everyone looks busy. Grandpa felt a little sad.
Nobody noticed me.
I need to send this email.
So many messages.
I can't stop now.
That's funny.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, hi, Grandpa.
How is everyone today?
What are you all doing?
I'm working.
What happened? The power was gone.
Oh, no.
It's not working. My game stopped.
No internet.
Now what?
Nobody knew what to do.
Let's play a game. It's very simple. It's a game my grandmother taught us.
What kind of game?
But everyone joined.
Enjoy!
Ho, ho. Guess what I'm thinking?
This is fun. Is it a dog?
That's hilarious.
When I was little.
Let me tell you a story.
Everyone was happy.
The room felt cozy.
I'm having fun. Ooh!
And that was the end of their great adventure.
Tell another one.
I was very silly.
That's so funny.
Look what I found.
Everyone moved closer.
Wow! Look at this. This one is funny.
I remember that day.
These memories are special.
The hours passed quickly.
You know,
The power is back.
Everything started working again.
They paused for a moment. I had more fun without it.
Me too.
Family time is better.
Let's play again tomorrow.
This is what matters.
The best memories are made together.